Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can make a multicolored endless fall knot. Let's get started. Start by folding your first cord evenly in half and attaching it to your dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now before we pull this knot all the way tight, we're going to insert our second cord right here underneath the dowel rod through that lark's head knot. Just take the end and stick it right through that gap and then pull on it until it is even on both sides. And then we can pull our lark's head knot tight to secure everything into place. Now take your two outer cords and cross the left over the right to form a loop. I like to pinch it right here where everything kind of connects, so I see two well-defined loops. I'm going to take my middle right cord and twist it up and around to go through the right side of the loop. Then I'm going to take the left middle cord and twist it up and around to go through that left side of the loop. Pull those outer cords tight to pull it all secure and neat. Now I'm going to take my white cords, so the cords that were originally in the middle, and this time I'm going to cross them left over right to form my loops. I squeeze everything together here in the center so I see those two well-defined loops. Middle right goes up and around to go through the right loop, and the middle left goes up and around to go through the left loop. Pull it tight. Just like that. And now I just repeat by going back to my blue cords, the original ones on the outside, and repeat all the same steps over and over again. There we go. This is what your endless falls knot will look like with those alternating colors. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.